Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you about one Android application, exciting Android application, amazing Android application that is related to the profile photo. If you want to edit your DP, profile DP or any photo, it is almost taking one and a half hours to edit that photo. That type of editing is possible with that app within seconds. With a click of button, that editing is possible. So not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you, for the new people, to subscribe this channel. So just going to that app, we will go to the Play Store, and here I have already searched this app, new profile pic. You have to just write it here, new profile pic, search here, it will tell, and then install. Now it is installing. It is installing now. Shortcut has also been created. Now the app is installed and we will now open it. Opening process is going on. It has opened. Now we will demonstrate what I was saying. Just choose photo here, go, give some permission, then go to the apps. Here suppose you want to modify the Harry Potter's photo, so select this photo, suppose one profile photo. I have selected this photo and it is working. In between some ads will also come. It is working. We have to close that ads. It will come. Close it. Now you see that photo has been modified to this one. You can select this also, you can select this also, you can select this also, you can select this also. You can choose your profile photo as per your desire. Then save and share. You can save it and share it. You can make a DP on Instagram, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, wherever you want. So this was the one application I wanted to tell you. Now I also want to tell you about the second application, and that is Smart Cursor. That is, you go and search here, Smart Cursor. When you want to work with one hand, nowadays the size of smartphones are large, so if you do not want to use the other hand, with obvious reasons, suppose you are having a tea and you want to operate a phone right then, you have to take help of such applications where you can move all the things with one hand. So just, this is not one hand operations. One hand operations, the screen gets small and then you just reach through display with one, either thumb or one finger. So just install it. Now I will demonstrate. It has been installed. Open it and give the permissions, which it is grant permissions. Install a Smart Cursor, give on, allow, go back, next, grant permissions. Now it is come to the Smart Cursor, set on, okay, done. Now all has done. What you need to do when you are in need of that application means you want to operate your phone with one hand, your other hand is busy in some other work like taking tea or any important work. So at that time, what you need to do, just Just go there and swipe in the lower half of the screen, and you see the cursor is coming. This is also very you can select anything you want. You can go back. Suppose you are going to click it, then you so you can do everything you want. Here APK Mirror is opening. This is how you can work when your one hand is busy. You can work with the second hand. So in this video I will tell you, I have told you about two applications. First is about the profile photo, and the second one is about smart cursor. If you like this video, if video has helped you, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys.